cooking today carilleda means meat tenderloin with wine sauce, red wine sauce. This is the red wine that I put. It's a pretty simple uh, recipe, just stir fried. I put some mushroom, onion and garlic in there. I used two, and is this is pressure cooker to make it softer later. Yeah, when you put the wine, I put already wine, maybe I add some more. I put some wine. Yeah, tansya, and then don't touch it for a minute two for a minute or two. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put this together here because it's a lot, so hindi siya magkasya. It's okay na. And simmer it for about 45 minutes in the pressure cooker, and it's done. Let's see. Wine sauce. They call it carilleda.